Guys, welcome to our next video in the tutorial Google Earth Engine for the beginners. In today's video, we will learn about how to import and download any kind of a shapefile, including the administrative boundaries of any country, the state, or the district in the Google Earth Engine. So it's a free available data. So we will start with searching our data catalog and end up with the downloading to our own drive. So let's start. So let us first search our dataset. The dataset name is the FAO global administrative boundary. So here you can see there are six datasets available. One is for country boundaries. So it's for the year 2015. And first level administrative boundary that states for any provinces or the states, and the second level administrative boundary is for like a district in case of India. So we will first start with the country boundaries. So let's import this and rename it as FAO. So you need to add a point on any country you want to uh, select. So let us try for Yemen today. So I am having a point as a geometry uh, in my MN region. So let's rename it as ROI. So let's see how we can import our country shapefile from Google Earth Engine. So create a variable called MN. Okay, so is equal to let's select our data FAO and filter it to bounds. It's called region of interest. So that's it, guys. So in one line we have derived our shapefile, and let's add this to map in order to know where it has been added, it is correctly or no. So we are using the function map dot add layer uh, mn. So you can leave the visualization parameters for default and name it as mn. So click on the run. So our layer is loading. So as you can see here, guys, clearly the shapefile of the MN has been downloaded for the entire country. So its islands are also loaded. So this is a particular case with how to import a country shapefile. So we will also try for a state. Let's import the first level administrative uh, units and rename it as state. Okay, and create a variable. Say let's select the Karnataka state in India. And we should also have a point at Karnataka. Okay, so we should delete this. The point has been added to the same layer. We should create a new layer for the for the state to add. So yeah, a new layer is created. So rename it as ROI2, and our variable is Karnataka. So let's start. We have the state data, and apply the filter bounds to our ROI2 region. So let's add this to layer map.add layer Karnataka. So leave the visualization parameters for default and rename it as Karnataka. Okay, so let's search. So yeah, our Karnataka shapefile has also been loaded. So here also you can see clearly the islands which are near Karnataka, near the Gokarna has also been loaded. So let's also try for the second level administrative boundary. Let's import this second level administrative units and rename it as districts. District. Okay, and let's create one more variable for the district, uh, say dist. Okay, so we are using the same point for filtering our district layer. So we have selected the district dot filter bounds to our region of interest 2, and add this layer to map. Sorry, not Karnataka, so it must be dist, and rename it as district only. Okay, so let's give run. So yeah, our three layers are loading now. So you can uncheck this Karnataka in order to see visible the district. So I think it is yeah, it's a Dharwad district which has been loaded in the Karnataka uh, shapefile. Okay, so yes guys, so that's it for today. So in the final outlier we can see our country shapefile for the MN, and Karnataka shapefile for the second administrative boundary, and our district has been loaded. So in order to export any of this to your own drive and use it in the other GIS software such as QGIS or ArcMap, so let's export any one of them in order to know how we can export. So we are using the function export dot table because it's a vector layer to drive function, and you should use the dictionary. So it's asking for some arguments, so let's give all of them. So let's export our say Karnataka layer. So the collection should be Karnataka, and description should be say state or Karnataka, anything you can give for your convenience. And if you have any kind of folder, you can give the folder name. I don't have any folder earlier created in my Google Drive, so I'm creating this function. So file name prefix and file format. So file format you can give it as SHP, which stands for shapefile, and selectors and max vertices priority all it's not needed. So you can just close the brackets and run the function. So yeah, you can come to the task and see one task has been assigned but it has not been submitted, so it is in the unsubmitted task tab. So if you can just run, the task name is state, and the folder I did not specify, and the file format is shapefile. So these are the different formats of the uh, vector to be converted. So let's give run. So I'm using the shapefile format to export. So yeah, it's running now. So yes guys, the shapefile layer has been exported. Now let's check our drive in order to know. So let's refresh it. So yes guys, so you can see our state, the dbf file, and the shapefile, the projected files, the cpg and shx layer all has been exported. So from here you can simply download and use it in your other gis software such as qgis. So that's it for today guys. If you have any kind of queries, you can post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.